Hello, my name is Jordan Krizik, and here's my EDL 853 Special Education for Building Administrators intro video. So, a little bit about me. I'm currently, this is my second year teaching. I am the pre-K through ninth grade PE teacher at USD 399 in Natoma. It is about northeast of Hayes, about 45 minutes. I'm also the health teacher as well for the ninth grade and the weights teacher as well. Along with that, I am also a coach. I coach. I'm assistant for football, assistant for basketball, and also a golf head coach as well. And then on top of all those, I'm also the athletic director. I wear a lot of hats at that school. So a little bit more about me. I'm originally from Nebraska, and I actually just took a job at the end of December. So I'll be moving back to Nebraska. I do like to stay active, try to work out as much as I can with my busy schedule, running out to the lakes, going snowboarding, whatever I can do. My summers, since teachers are mostly free during the summers, I do work on a golf course. I do enjoy golfing as well. Going to the lakes with my buddies. I grew up by a lake, so I was pretty active doing that. And then I also like to run dogs with my older brother. He has two of them, so I help him with that. All right, so an inclusive culture. So we need to have academic support. So we need to have flexible pacing, reading specialist, and tutoring available for those students that might have difficulty with that academic. Any way that we can bring in resources to help them be academically successful. As teachers and administrators, we need to do that. Prepare teachers, continue education services. So just like with us as teachers that are in this class, we're looking to continue our education. So whatever resources, again, that we can bring in for those teachers, we need to do that. Curriculum, apply topics about oppression, privilege, and racism. Bring those topics into the school so we can have an inclusive culture, with everyone being from different backgrounds, different areas. This will be a great way to see where everyone's at. Integrate student bodies, redrawing school boundaries, adjusting ranking calculations, create a respectful school community, and create a space for discussion. Just a safe spot. I mean, if this will usually be a good way for counselors to be able to talk to individuals, but just a safe spot so they know that they're safe with what they say in that safe zone. Advocate for students, learn about diversity and equality together, look at a movie or read a book and just have a discussion about it, how that book or movie relates to our culture today, and how we can potentially help with the different diversity and culture in our school. Support student leadership, support ideas and help them grow. I mean, as teachers, we need to listen to their ideas, but also steer them in the right direction to maybe avenues where they can actually grow from this or start to use this as a foundation, and they can, again, build upon it. Understand identity, culture, and language. Take time to learn about the students, their background. With the students, their languages in slang is constantly changing. So being able to understand what the students are saying and how you can relate that to education, culture, background, instances like that. Include students' culture and language. Again, bring that into the lesson planning. Have high expectations. Have high expectations for the students and yourself. I mean, take this personally, that you want to change the culture or the climate of the school, that you're willing to take the necessary steps to go out and help anyone that needs help or needs your help. Anyways, plans and strategies. Work hard to find ways to include all students, parents, and staff. Open houses, volunteering is a great way to get the parents, staff, and students together. Educate staff on different cultures in our school. Single parent homes, adaptive parent homes. Just putting out surveys to kind of see what is the different kind of households out there, so we can better prepare our teachers and staff to better equip the students. Educate students on different cultures in the school. clubs and organizations, this is a great way. Just letting them be aware, that you're just not, that your background isn't the same as everyone else's, that there are different people from different parts of the world, different parts of the state that come into the school. Send staff research-based articles. Focus on respectful school culture. Just um, researching resources that are evidence-based, that really have worked for other schools, that maybe we can apply that same principle into our school. Steps a school leader can take to change negative assumptions: make it a personal change every day. Make it a point to reach out to students and teachers. Promising practices that foster inclusive education, research-based practices. Again, strengthen a supportive peer culture. Collaborate and agree on behaviors and expectations with your students. Seek student feedback. Listen to their views. Listen to their opinions, and see if you can't mold the students' feedback and the the administration's plan, and see if you can't mold those together. And those are my references.